Now this is the physical installation of the actual ring. Now that everything's installed, you're all set up, your app is already open, and you're ready to use your actual device. Now it's time to actually set it up. Mine comes with the wire, so I'm gonna go through the wire installation. This one has an actual existing doorbell. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna actually find the circuit breaker. Turn off the circuit breaker so you have no power going to the actual device, so it is safe for you to do the work that you're gonna have to do. So most definitely, if you can't identify which one of your circuit breakers is the actual circuit breaker that you want, most likely you can shut down the power. This will shut down the power. It's one of the main breaker that shuts down power for everything, so you don't have to click one by one, and that automatically guarantee that you won't have any power. And it's as easy as that. Once the circuit breaker is off, you're able to remove the actual existing doorbell. For me, it was really easy. It's just like the video here. It's like 2 screws, you take it off, and then you remove the actual 2 wires. The 2 wires are gonna be hanging out. So you're gonna find the spot that where your wires are hanging. You're gonna put the existing doorbell there. You're gonna use something to mark the actual holes. You mark the holes, then you take off the actual, without installing anything, you just take it off, and then you see where you marked for pre-drill holes. If it's wood or concrete, as you're gonna have different processes. For me, it was wood, so pre-drilling the holes into wood is a lot easier than having concrete or some other type of material that's harder. So find your wires, then connect them to the actual Ring doorbell. If you don't have enough wire, there's more wire and a wire extension inside the actual kit, so it'll give you as much wire as you need, and then you're gonna get ready to put it all back together. First thing that you want to do is definitely take out the old doorbell and then connect your new wires to the Ring doorbell, and then definitely push these wires in so it falls in there nice and snug. Now that it's nice and snug, actually secure it to the wall with the actual screws recommended for the actual type of material that you have. And it's just one more step closer to finishing this project. Okay, so it's essential that you identify the right screw for the actual faceplate itself. There's a couple different screws and stuff like that. You need to find the security screw and the actual tool. Installing the wrong screw is going to damage your Ring camera, so be sure that you install the right screw. All right, so let's restore power to the actual breakers, and let's get ready to test this Ring camera. See if all the steps were done correctly, and if everything's done correctly, you should be able to access it with your mobile device on the app. Now here's the fun part. You can share this access, as far as the camera access, to anybody you want. The following step is you're just literally gonna put down the email, and they're gonna send them instructions on how to get connected to your actual device. One of the cool things that I found, the actual faceplates, you can get them customizable. As far as me, I like the way it looks on the white trim, the silver, but if I do want to change it, I have the option of changing it in the future. That's a really cool customizable piece that I like. So here's a cool thing. After you do the Ring, it'll come up straight into your cell phone. Your cell phone will open it up, and voila, there we go. That's the person in your front door, which is kind of trippy because it's me. Hey, what's up, me, at the testing background and stuff like that. Yo, it works. You're good, man. I know you're looking all confused and stuff because you set it all up, but you did it. Good job.